Hey guys, and welcome back to GP Automotive and Diecast. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing of these two Burago 118 scale Ferrari 1984 Ferrari GTO or 288 GTO, as well as the Chevrolet Corvette. I believe it's a 1957, and I bought these from Macari for, in total, they were both about, let me remember, I think it was like $43 for these two of them, for the two of them. So, I think a pretty good deal, and once again from Macari, not my usual eBay, and let's see, I've actually bought from the seller before, and we'll see how she goes. Okay. And they will both need some work, which I like. Obviously, I like having a bit of a project sometimes, so. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, so the person taped two boxes together. So that's not actually a coordinated box. It's not just all one box. That's interesting. Okay, so that's the Corvette in there somewhere. And then I think... Okay, yeah, so we're going to have to go open the other side. So this is kind of interesting. See, it's not a... Huh. Never had that before. So I guess we'll go and flip it over to get to the other one. It's like a double unboxing. Gotta be careful with these scissors sometimes. I cut myself. So the 288 GTO, Burago stopped making many years ago, and these models are both from the 90s. And sorry for that screaming in the background. There's some sort of event happening, and they're not being very nice when it comes to the level of noise. Okay, get this thing open. Cracked open, and well, it's upside down. This one might be a little more rough than the previous one I just pulled out, because this is the Ferrari, and supposedly the wheel's broken, and hopefully there's no other damage, because that would really suck. Okay, let's throw this down here, and let's start off with the Corvette. And they did put packing paper all inside of it. Oh, what's that? Oh, the thing just... What? Hold. Okay, so that doesn't make any sense. The base just fell off. So hold on. We might have a bigger issue here. Okay. Boy, so she's dirty. For sure. It's all here though, and nothing's broken, so let's go ahead and I guess we can put this back on the base. I don't know why. Interesting. That's bizarre. I've never seen that happen before. So let's go ahead and put this like so. That's bizarre. Okay, so anyway, it's just kind of weird. Let me shut up and we can put the other one. Oh well, dadgum, I don't have any scissor or screws, so we'll put that to the side and we'll mess with that later. So the box is in fairly good condition, with the sense that the plastic is falling out of it, but that is common for these older Burago models. I need to get this crap back together. Okay, so we'll fix that in just a little bit. And the plastic is falling down, and the box is a little bend in it, but nothing too big. Needs a nice cleaning. And the car is very dirty as well, so we'll give it a cleaning too. And this is a little bit rougher. The box actually looks a little bit better. The plastic's kind of cracked, as you see there. Oh, dadgum. It did this. This has the same thing. But you know what? I just realized I actually have an extra one of these plaques, so I think we're fine. And I guess this doesn't have any screws either, if that's the case. Oh God, okay, so please. Okay, so I bought this knowing that it had a broken wheel, so I'm praying and praying and praying and praying and praying. Okay. So guys, I think we're going to be able to fix this. Granted, I'll have to glue it. And ooh, the thought just crossed my mind about buying a parts car and fixing it, but that will be in the future. Yeah, because I am not probably wanting to do that quite yet. So, okay, so yeah, we got a little bit of work here, which is fine because I like having projects, but I just don't want it to become a very expensive project, you know? So we'll get this thing secured back with a better stand because I have an extra one. We'll get it secured back. We'll get them cleaned up. And we'll get the Corvette cleaned up, the box fixed, get the plastic back up to the base, you know, do the whole stretch, whole thing. Get it, clean it up and stuff, and we'll see where we're at, you know? So I'll do some thinking about if it's worthy enough to get a full rebuild and having all of its four wheels back and working. I even have the catalogs for these models as well that I bought a few months back. So we're pretty set. I just need to make sure and do some thinking about it if it's worth completely redoing this 288 GTO and swapping the frame with another parts model. So, you know, I'll do some thinking, and if y'all have an opinion, put in the comments down below. Help me out here, and, you know, should I restore this thing to its full form of glory, or should I just leave it with its broken wheel? Because I'm obviously not going to be... It's not like the Jaguar where it's completely sheared. It still has its original shape and everything. So I'm just trying to decide what I should do with it, because it's a little bit of a head scratcher, I guess you could say. And the box is kind of messed up, but we can fix it to an extent. So yeah, so put in the comments down below what you think I should do with this model. You know, the seller didn't disclose all of the damage, but obviously if they're not into diecast cars, they might not know or care, you know, because maybe they don't know everything about these cars and how they are originally from the factory. So I'll give them a little bit of slack there, but yeah, we'll get them, you know, we'll get them nice looking. We will. I mean, I've transformed some crazy dirty cars, so I'll do my best, and we'll see how it comes out. So, thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day, And if the video comes out by tomorrow, which is 4th of July, happy 4th of July. And hope everyone, and of course, if you don't live in America, you know what I'm talking about, but you don't celebrate it, obviously. But for America, happy 4th of July. And enjoy your fireworks and all your s'mores and meats and barbecues and stuff. So it'll be fun. And those of you who are across the pond or do not celebrate 4th of July, have a great day tomorrow. And yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll have some projects that will hopefully go good, and hopefully you know, won't go south. Hopefully they'll go in the good direction, and you know, yeah. So have a great day, guys, and GP out.